Hello everybody. Fishes live in virtually all aquatic habitats. Different species of fish are adapted for different habitats: rocky shores, coral reefs, kelp forests, rivers and streams, lakes and ponds, undersea ice, the deep sea, and other environments of fresh, salt, and brackish water. What do sea fish eat? Conclusion: ocean species mostly eat zooplankton, other fish, algae, sponges, fish eggs and larvae, jellyfish, worms, crustacean and yes, floating insects, but not insects we get used to on the surface. What is the most normal fish? The most common fish is any of the species of a deepwater fish, sometimes called a bristlemouth. The fish is about the size of a small minnow. It is caught at 500 meters or deeper all over the world. Are there more fish in the sea? If you tell someone that there are plenty more fish in the sea, you are comforting them by saying that although their relationship with someone has failed, there are many other people they can have relationships with.